Welcome back, children, to our English literature class. Today we are going to listen a beautiful poem, Cuckoo Sings. When flakes of white sail across the sky, when breeze blows warm and the days grow long, from somewhere in the distance you can hear my song, coo, coo, coo. So, the cuckoo sings when the sky is clean and white, when there is warm air blowing and the days are long. Then from somewhere in the distance a cuckoo is heard singing coo, coo, coo. When mangoes ripen in the dark green trees and hovering around are busy buzzy bees, right over the wall you can hear my call, coo, coo, coo. So when will you hear me singing? When the mangoes are ripened in their green trees and the bees are found hovering around the flower for honey, then you can hear me singing coo, coo and coo. When plump wild figs go squish under your feet and juicy purple berries are munched by parakeets, from somewhere up high you can hear my tuneful cry, coo, coo, coo. So when will you hear me singing? When the figs are ripe and they fall on the ground and are almost crushed under your feet, when the ripe berries are ready to be eaten, then you will be able to hear my tuneful musical cry, coo, coo and coo. When from dawn to dusk you must indoors stay, when all else is quiet in the middle of the day, you can hear me sing sweetly caroling, coo, coo, coo. So from dawn to dusk, from morning till evening, when everybody is indoors. So during the summer season, what happens? Nobody tends to go outside. So there is all set silence. So at that time, in the middle of the day, the cuckoo is found singing coo, coo and coo. So children, this is the summer season and you will be able to hear this cuckoo singing. So watch out for the cuckoo singing. Now let's do the exercises. So these question and answers will be done by all yourself. Let's do the exercises. Now this is the rhyme time. Write words of your own that rhyme with the long words below. Let's do it. So the first word we have is long. Long, you can write song. Stay, you can write pay. Here, you can say near. Wall, call, flake, sake. So these are some rhyming words of your own. Let's see what is next. Now naming words and nouns, we have some grammar part. So let's see the grammar part. Naming words are nouns that can be persons, places, animals or things. Write the naming words below in their correct columns. So children, here are some words given in the yellow box and we have to segregate all the numbers and write them in the right box. Let's do it. It's something very nice. Now computer. What is a computer? It is a thing. So you'll write here computer. Sofa. It is also a thing. So you can write it over here. Lucknow, it is a place. So you will write it over here. Lucknow. Then cuckoo. Cuckoo is a bird. It comes under the column of animal. So you can write here cuckoo. Parakeet, it is a kind of an animal. So you can write it here. Parakeet. Then fig. Fig is another thing. So you can write it over in this column. Sky. Sky is to be written also in this column. Mumbai. Mumbai is a place to be written over here. Zebra. Zebra is an animal. You can write it over here. car. So children, I am marking it with the arrows to show you where to place all these words. But it is your work to fill in the right boxes. Now car is a thing. You can write it over here. Park is a place. So you can write it over here. Giraffe is an animal. School is a place. Zoo is also a place. Elephant is an animal. Then dawn is something, a thing. Dawn and dusk are a thing. Chair is also a thing, and Aditya is the person. So children, I hope you will be able to do it. So segregate all the words and find out where to place them. Now let's read the following sentences. The underlined words are words of action. So when I go to school, I study. So action words are called verbs, which tell about the work of a noun or a pronoun. Now fill in the blanks with the words of action given in the boxes. Now below there are some words given and you have to fill in over here. Let's do it. My sister fights with me when I am at home. My teacher loves me as I am a good boy. I go to my grandmother's house once in a month. I call all my friends on my birthday, and I buy vegetables from the grocer. So this is all, and here we end this chapter of Cuckoo Sings. So children, learn this poem for your orals, and till we meet in the next session with a new chapter, an interesting story. So till then, have a nice day and bye bye.